When rain starts to fall, an enemy begins to creep in. Slowly. It eats through metal. Weakens it. And it doesn't stop. Prevent rust before it starts with BIORUST Water-Based Metal Primer and Topcoat. With triple action all-in-one defense system. Rust Converter, neutralizes corrosion on contact. Primer, bonds to metal, locking in protection. Topcoat, repels moisture, rain, and rust itself. 3 layers of defense, all in just 2 coats, with one easy solution. BIORUST Water-Based Metal Primer and Topcoat. Available at all SINCLAIR Pro stores nationwide.